In this video, we will discuss excise taxes, specifically excise tax applicable for wines. Alright, sige, let's start. Sabi dito, DEF Corporation, a domestic corporation, produces wines for consumption. Of course. For the year 2025, it manufactured 600 boxes of DEF wine containing 10 bottles of wine each. Each bottle contains 2 liters of wine. How much is the excise tax due? So sige, let's start. Magkano nga ba yung applicable na tax para sa mga wines? Okay? Ang excise tax is a specific tax. So, ano ibig sabihin ng specific tax? Okay? So, i-compare natin siya sa ad valorem tax. Ang ad valorem tax ay based sa value, okay, ng article or ng goods or services. Samantalang ang specific tax, it is based on a unit of measure. For example, kilograms, liters, etc. Or pwede ding sticks, boxes, packs, etc. So, ang sabi dito, ang tax or ang excise tax na applicable for wines ay isang specific tax. At imumultiply siya depende sa ilang liter. Okay? So, sige. Ang sabi dito, ang excise tax na applicable dito ay 63.12 ang pinaka-latest. Pero syempre, check natin. Anong year ba to ang 63.12? It's 2024. So, kailangan natin siyang i-update. At ang sabi dito, na starting 2025, mag-i-increase siya by 6%. So, paano natin siya i-compute? So, okay. Let's start. Ang sabi dito is per liter, merong excise tax na 63 pesos and 12 centavos. Okay, pero that is for 2024. Ang sabi dito, 2025 na. Okay, for the year 2025. So, ibig sabihin, i-increase natin siya by 6%. So, 63.12 times 1.06 or times 106%. Okay, that is per bottle. Okay, ang sabi dito, each box contains 10 bottles. Okay, so 10 bottles per box. At ilang boxes ba meron? Okay, so ilagay natin 10 bottles times ilang boxes yung nagawa nila? 600 boxes. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. So, magkano ang excise tax due? Sige, compute nga natin. 63.12 times 1.06 times 10 times 600 boxes. Yun. Actually, may kulang pa tayo. So, yung nakalimutan natin, no? Each wine contains 2 liters. Okay. So, wag natin kakalimutan yan, no? 2 liters. Kasi ang sabi dito, it's a specific tax per liter. So, ibig sabihin, itong 63.12 times 1.06, twice pa. Okay? Or times 2. Kasi may 2 liter kasi yung isang wine nila eh. So, again, ulitin natin or pwedeng i-continue natin times 2. So, ang excise tax natin is 802,000. Okay? 886. So, ganun lang siya kasimple, guys. Okay? Don't forget the peso sign. Okay? I-bold natin siya. Bold and underlined. Okay. So, sige. Now, you try. Okay? Now, you try. So, i-type nyo sa comment section kung ano yung sagot nyo dito and we will answer this sa susunod na video.